Hi everyone, it's Miss Library back with Mr. B. It's a beautiful spring day today, and Mr. B and I have been in the garden gardening. Got my gardening gloves on. Okay, are you ready for our spring story? I think you're gonna like this one. B, get on your magic carpet. Get on your magic carpet. All right, you guys, get on your magic carpet. Quickly, are you on? Okay, good. The first thing you need to do is put your ladybug eyeballs in. Oh, now I can see. And how about putting your zinnia flower ears on? Oh wait, knock off a little pollen. That helps with the hearing. Good. And put your worm mouth in. And zip it up. Okay, are you ready? Seatbelts on. Click! I can't wait to take you to the most magical garden you've ever been to. Are you ready? Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Come on, guys! Whoa! 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 That wasn't too bad. And look around everywhere. The flowers and the trees and the butterfly and birds. Wow. Oh, I can't wait to read the next story to you. Let me take my gloves off. Don't need these right now. This is the story. Look, it's called Plant the Tiny Seed. Here are the seeds right here. Doop, 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 doop. And it's by Christie Matheson. On each picture in this book, well, first of all, look, there's a butterfly and a watering can. That's a zinnia, that's the flower. And on each picture, you need to look for a ladybug. It's kind of hard to see this guy, but there he is. See the ladybug? See him? I wonder if you can find the ladybugs on each picture. Okay. There's magic in this tiny seed right there. I'm gonna press it down and count to 3 with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, did you see the ladybug? Okay, let's see what happens. Hey, we made 3 seeds. 1, 2, 3. Plant another one, then one more. Press them down, and let's count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, can you wiggle your fingers like this? Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle your fingers, because we need to add some water. Oh, look, you did it! Oh, wait a minute, that's enough. Let's rub the sun to make it hotter, because we need some sun for our seeds, right? Oh, what's happening? Look at that. Now, let's tap the cloud. And everyone wish for rain. Are you wishing? Is it gonna work? Let's find out. Ooh, see the ladybug. Okay. Yeah, it worked! Look at the rain! Now, can you clap to bring the sun out again? Can you clap? Clap! Let me hear you. Clap. Let's see if it worked. We need the sun. Aha! Did you spot the ladybug? Now what's that? A snail. But first, can you find the worm? Do you see the worm? There's its tail right there. See it? Uh-oh. That snail has gotten into our flowers. It might eat the leaves, so let's shoo it away. Say shoo! Shoo, hungry snail! Shoo, 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 shoo! You're not allowed in there. Go somewhere else. Oh. I found the ladybug. Now, there's a little bud. Can you tell it goodnight? Say goodnight. Guess what you might see in the morning light? Guess what you might see? I think the ladybug is sleeping. flower? Did you find the ladybug? Yes, and you found the bee too. Bzzz. Let's tap the cloud again. Do you think we'll get more rain? Let's find out. Look! It worked! It's another rain shower. And do you see what else has happened? What color is the new flower? Red. And of course you spotted the ladybug. Looks like something else is blooming there too. Oh, look. Touch the blossoms gently. I'm just going to touch them gently. Did you spot the ladybug? They look so pretty, don't they? Oh, what do you see? Hummingbirds. They love those flowers. See the ladybug? Now, let's jiggle the plants to scatter the seeds. See if it works. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. It worked. See the seeds? They're all gonna go down. Guess what's gonna happen? More flowers. Oh, you know what? That purple flower needs a little clip. So let's just swipe across the stem. Snip, snip. Take it off. That way this one can grow faster. Now, close your eyes. Are your eyes closed? Close them and wave your hands up in the air. Wave both hands up in the air. Are your eyes closed? Let's see what happens. Okay, keep your eyes closed. Okay, look! Wow, there's magic everywhere. Look at that. Bees and butterflies and hummingbirds. They all love the flowers. We like the flowers too, don't we? They're so pretty. And the bees need the flowers so they can go back and make honey. And the butterflies need the flowers and the hummingbirds. They're so pretty. I wonder if you can help me plant a seed. A zinnia seed. Can you say zinnia? This is what the zinnia, our zinnias, will look like. A little like the ones on the book. Can you, in the book, see that? Let me show you the seed. Let me get the seeds out. See the seeds? Kind of like the ones in the book, right? Where do we need to put them in? Dirt. So let's put them in the dirt. See, there they are. And we'll just press them down. And what else do we need to do? We need to put some more dirt on there, and I will put some water on them. We'll water them and make sure they're watered. And what else do they need? Sun. So hopefully they will grow into some beautiful flowers for our butterflies and for our hummingbirds and maybe for some bees. Oh, one thing else I want to show you that was in the book that's also very important for our gardens are worms. I want to show you my worms. Look, let's dig around. You see any worms? Do you see any worms? Ooh. Ooh. Look. Let's find some worms. Oh, I'm gonna use to dig some more. Are you spying any worms? Are you spying any worms? I'll hold one up for you. Look at that one. See it? So we like these in our soil. They help our flowers. They're fun to play with too, aren't they? Maybe you'll go outside digging for worms today. All right, we'll see you next week. Bye.